from my bedroom window displayed heavy raindrops falling from the dark sky. I quickly pulled the curtains and then slipped beneath my covers. While cuddling up on some soft pillows, my thoughts were arrested by the looming deadline of tomorrow's creative writing raindrop assignment. However, they quickly faded as I drifted off into a deep sleep. I opened my eyes. Everywhere was so peaceful and quiet. Much to my amazement, I gently floated amongst the clouds. Is this heaven? I wondered. Without warning, a strong gust of wind whizzed past me in a flash. It grabbed me with cold giant hands. Lightning then flashed right through me. I could not believe it. A thunderclap slapped me into a dark storm cloud. Suddenly, I was plummeting downwards like a speeding bullet. Anxious and afraid, I tried to stop my downward momentum. I reached out to hold on to anything. I soon realized that I had no hands. My body was transparent, fat and bulgy. Like a speeding rocket, I made a head-on collision onto the surface of a rooftop. My watery bulge slithered off into the guttering and entered the drains in a race with other raindrops. Where are we going?
Welcome to the Raindrop Marathon. We are heading to the Gulf.
What Gulf?
The Gulf of Paradise, the place where successful raindrops are crowned champions of the seas.
Miraculously, I felt a great burst of strength which surged me forward like a barracuda. I was thrilled with the idea of competing. Is this the Caroni River?
It sure is.
Along this amazing journey, I saw crabs, tilapia, cascadura. Finally, the river's mouth opened into a huge stadium of raindrops. It was breathtaking. There, I witnessed dolphins, sharks, stingrays, and many other types of sea creatures. As if that was not enough, the festivities began with waves of celebration. The high sea spray of noise engulfed the whole stadium as the triumphant raindrops were welcomed by the golden sun.
Champions of the seas, rise, rise, rise.
As I began to rise, my body miraculously transformed from a liquid into a gas. I felt magical, mystical, supernatural. That was indeed paradise. Then, in an instant, I rose out of my sleep and said to myself, "That's it. That's the story I'm going to write for my assignments."
Don't hesitate and be late. Subscribe now.